So you're thinking about moving to Auburn, California? Well, in today's video, I'm doing an open house in North Auburn. In fact, it's in the Christian Valley subdivision area of Auburn, which is absolutely beautiful. There's a lot of rolling hills, wide open spaces, tall oak trees, and acreage on the different properties. So in case you can't stop by and join me for the open house today, I thought I'd take you on a little tour of the grounds and then take you for a walk inside. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the greater Sacramento area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty, and I would love to have the opportunity to help you buy or sell your home in the greater Sacramento area. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. Well, today we're looking at a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2,400 square feet built in 1989. This house is listing for $749,900, which is about $312 per square foot. It sits on a little over 3.5 acres. So let's take a walk around the grounds so you can see what the outside looks like first, then we'll go inside. So there are 3 ways to enter this property off of the main road. And the first one is the one I'm looking at right here. You can see some of the property behind us here. On over to the garage in the house, and I'm going to keep coming around and walk over this way, and you'll see the grassy area. This is the driveway we just looked at, coming over here to the grassy area on up. And so it's a circular driveway, and then if we look down this hill, that's another way that you can get in and out of this property. And then the other side of these trees, you can also get in and out of the property. Let's go take a look at this beautiful landscape over here of green rolling hills, a lot of oak trees. Little ADU unit right over there, and look at the hills that just go straight up there. So you get a lot of exercise around here, climbing the hills, jumping over the rocks, and then here's that third way to get in and out of the property, right down there. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. If we go in the back of the house, it kind of sits right up against a big rock. But I had to show it to you just so that you don't think you have this big giant backyard, because it's not like that. It's a little ramp that goes up here. And here's some steps that go on up the hill there. And then just right behind the house, we have a little wooden deck. And it's beautiful rock back here. Isn't this gorgeous? So it's not a big backyard, but you do have a pretty view from inside the house of this big rock and some of the trees that go around. And here's a little area back here. It could be used for could park an RV back here. Could use it to play horseshoes. Here's some little planter boxes right up there. So lots of options back here. All right, let's go inside and take a look at the inside of the house. So earlier in the video, I pointed out this little outbuilding that I told you is an ADU, and upon further investigation, it is not an ADU. In fact, it is a shop. So you can, like a woodworking shop with a workbench on either side of the room and places to hang tools on the wall. And look at the sunbeams shining down that hill right beside it behind me. Absolutely beautiful. All right, we're gonna take a look inside the house now. Let's go take a look inside the house now. As you can see, there's a 3-car garage. On the outside, it's beautifully landscaped. In front, I see some cyclamen planted in the front, and some nice potted plants as you go up to the entrance of the house here. And the first room you see is absolutely stunning. It's a sunken-in living room that has some beautiful views of that big rock that we had looked at earlier in the backyard. But the window shape is just beautiful here. See the big rock there through the window, and the sunlight coming through. And then we have a formal dining room right over here. A little wet bar over there on the left. And as we go into a little hall to the left, as you walk into from the entryway, you see a little family room But before we go in the family room, we're going to go right here to the left into this common bathroom, right here. So it's just a little half bath. And then over here is the laundry room. And that's the door to the garage right there. So that's where the laundry, or washer and dryer would go, and the storage right up there. Nice bright yellow sink, my favorite color. And here is the family room with a wood stove. Nice and roomy in here with a beautiful view of the sloping green hills outside here, this window. And this is just a view of the hillside going up. Here's the kitchen with a double oven, plenty of cabinet space. As you can see, we have a 6-burner stove right here, a trash compactor, the dishwasher, a little spot for a small dining room table, and then the door that goes out to the backyard. The rosemary growing up in the rocks there, and some little steps going up the hillside there. And then this kitchen goes into the formal dining room and in the sunken living room. Okay, we're gonna go check out the bedrooms in the hallway. So as we come into the doorway, we turn right, and here we have an office. And I like it because there's windows in the corner that lets you see who's coming up the walkway. So there's no surprises. And then right out the living room here is the master bedroom with a propane stove in the corner and a view of that nice big rock in the backyard there by the wooden deck. It's just gorgeous. And here is the bed, little bench over there, nightstands, hallway that comes down here, and here's a little closet off to the right with some storage in there, and then a walk-in closet over here with some more storage. We have the double sink right here, a bathtub with a jacuzzi feature, and then here's the bathroom with the toilet and the shower right in here. We're going to go take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. So as you come down the hall, it looks like there's a bigger house there, but it's really just a mirror, as you can see on the wall, just right off of this, the entrance of the hallway off of the master bedroom. Come down the hall, you'll see the common bathroom right here with double sinks, a bathtub, toilet area. And at the end of this hall are 2 bedrooms side by side. Each of them have a view of the front of the house and of the main road. Just side by side, they both have their own closets in them with mirrors. And there we see the big mirror at the end of the hallway that just kind of opens up this house. Well, that's it for a tour of the inside of the house. So I hope you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful home in North Auburn in the subdivision of Christian Valley. The neighbors that came through today said that Christian Valley is a beautiful place to live. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up so that I know you liked it. And if you'd like to have any more information about the greater Sacramento area or Auburn, like we're in today, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. And until then, I will see you around town.